I'm Magna-ABBY, and today I'm going to show you 3 easy things you can build with your MAGNA-TILES set. This is a new video series where I'm going to show you fun MAGNA-TILES activities, things that you can build, and ways that you can learn and grow through meaningful play with MAGNA-TILES. So grab your MAGNA-TILES collection and let's get started. Today we're going to build a tall tower, a winding domino run, and a cool car garage for all your toy cars. Come on, let's go! Parents, we're going to be using the classic 100-piece set for each of these builds, but feel free to use whatever MAGNA-TILES set you have available. First, we're going to be building our tall tower. Can you go grab your square tiles? Here's a helpful tip. If you run out of square tiles, 2 right triangles make a square. Are you ready to build with me? The base of our tower is going to be 4 squares. This is going to let you build your tower really tall. Now we're just going to keep building up. Wow, look how tall I built my tower. It's almost as tall as me. Now that I'm done with my tower, how is your tower looking? Now we're going to set up our domino run. The cool thing about domino runs is you can make them as long or as short as you want, and you can reset them up for endless amounts of fun. So now, go ahead and grab your square and your isosceles triangle. First, we're going to make a straight line with our square tiles. Lay your tiles flat like this. Now we're going to put one tile after the other like this. When you're ready, knock the first one down and let the rest fall. Now let's build a domino run with the winding path. Grab 6 isosceles triangles and lay them flat against your square tile. Are you ready to start your domino run? Let's go! Cool. Now let's build a car garage. It's a great place to park your toy cars during playtime. Now let's grab our large squares and our small squares for this build. For the base of our garage, we're going to be using 4 large squares. Now it's time to put my cars in the garage. Thanks so much for building with me today. Leave a comment and let me know what I should build next.